Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We do have one storm spotter class going on today. This is put on by the Omaha National Weather Service. They'll be out in Antelope County in the town of Neely, the fire station there in Neely at 7 o'clock this evening here. And of course, as always, would definitely encourage you to attend this class if you're in that location. If you're up in Antelope County, get some great information, learn how to become a storm spotter possibly for the National Weather Service to kind of help them out. Plus, it's just a good refresher to get you ready for severe weather season, which is just right around the corner. So once again, if you're up there in Antelope County, I would definitely encourage you to attend this class. It will last about an hour and a half tonight. Looking at conditions right now, a little bit of a chilly start, but it is warmer this morning than yesterday morning. We've got upper 20s and lower 30s, partly to mostly cloudy skies, which we'll see most of the day today. Now, it is going to be a rather mild day, despite the cloud cover, not a lot of sun. Temperatures pushing into the 50s and 60s for most of us, maybe even a pocket of some lower 70s here. Again, not a lot of sunshine for today. And then late in the day, a small chance of rain or an isolated thunderstorm later this afternoon. Not a very good chance to late this afternoon. The best chance will be back towards the northwest here. And again, claps of thunder. There's going to be some instability with this activity, so a little bit of thunder, not expecting severe weather though. That chance continues tonight. In fact, it will pick up a little bit tonight in the Tri-Cities area, so look for a chance of some showers and isolated thunderstorms. For most of us, the best chance between about 6 o'clock and midnight tonight, although that instability really starts to go away later on in the night, so don't look for much thunder after about 10 or 11 o'clock this evening. Although, still going to keep at least some chances of a couple of showers around, maybe even getting cold enough for a few snowflakes out there with the best chance in the northern half of the state. Chilly tomorrow morning with 30s to start off our Thursday morning. It will be a breezy day for your Thursday and a cooler day for your Thursday, but despite that, we actually get some sunshine. That's the good news. At least we're going to get some sunshine. And when I say cooler, 40s and 50s for highs, so it's still going to be pretty decent. Most of those 40s in the northern and eastern portions of the viewing area where clouds will be just a little bit thicker. So not too bad, even though we are cooling down for a day on Thursday. Looking at your highs later on today, we've got temperatures in the 50s and lower 60s up towards the north. Again, a small chance of a late day thunder shower out there as winds will start southerly and then become more northwesterly as that front makes its way in. Out towards the west here, again, a small chance of a late day shower or thunderstorm. Nice and mild, mid to upper 60s to lower 70s. We'll see 60s in south central Nebraska, around 70 or 71 down towards Phillipsburg, Kansas, upper 60s there for Mankato and Smith Center. And out towards the east, a little cooler, places like Columbus at 55 degrees, which is still a huge improvement over yesterday's 30s. So mid 50s to mid 60s out east, and again, a very small chance of a late day shower or isolated thunderstorm. Now to your extended forecast again, next 7 days. Every single day above average. Average high is now in the mid-40s this time of the year, and we're going to be above that. We do drop off a little bit tomorrow, but still sit 50s for highs. Low 60s on Friday, but there are going to be a lot of clouds around, partly to mostly cloudy skies. So Saturday may actually be better just because we're going to see a lot more sunshine, lighter winds, low 60s. Some question marks to Sunday, and that's basically with low cloud cover, as we're going to have a series of warm fronts approaching the area. Sometimes what can happen is you get low clouds that come in ahead of that warm front, a lot of stratus clouds, and often that can kind of keep you a little cooler. So right now I'm going with partly cloudy skies. If we see more sun, we could end up being a little warmer, well into the 60s, 65, 67 degrees, somewhere in there. But if the low clouds come in, we could be stuck in the 50s for highs, so we're kind of playing middle ground right now. Slight chance of showers and storms, kind of hit or miss showers or storms Sunday night through Monday night. Very tough at this point to pinpoint the best chances out there, or even if we would see any kind of strong or severe thunderstorm activity. We may actually get a pretty good surge of warm air on Monday before we cool back behind that system coming in on Tuesday. So again, a pretty good forecast overall to look ahead to here. A couple of chances of rain, some thunder in the forecast, no big shots of colder air. Breezy at times, but not extremely strong winds the way it looks right now. So again, we can look forward to this forecast here as we go through this, continue this first week of March here and approach that March 9th time frame down the road. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.